the way we see and manage money may be affected from an early age. Often, these skills are handed on from parents to children, laying the groundwork for future financial stability. However, there may be a significant difference between the money lessons imparted by rich households and those suffering financially. Here, we'll look at 10 fundamental ideas that the wealthy emphasize in their children's financial education, which may help them achieve a more secure and successful future regardless of their origins. Number 1. Financial literacy. Financial literacy is an essential life skill, and rich parents recognize the value of instilling this information in their children from an early age. They empower their children to make educated financial choices throughout their lives by teaching concepts such as compound interest, budgeting, and investing at a young age. Imagine a toddler who understands the power of compound interest. They realize how continuous savings, even in tiny sums, may lead to tremendous long-term gains. This understanding may lead to prudent saving practices, which are a critical component of financial well-being. Budgeting, another important subject, becomes more doable when presented early. Kids may learn to divide their money into 3 categories: spending, saving, and charity giving. This promotes a knowledge of necessities versus desires and teaches students how to prioritize their cash. Finally, rich parents who prioritize financial literacy are not just passing on information to their children, but also giving them the independence and confidence to navigate the financial world successfully. Number 2. Delayed gratification. The capacity to defer gratification or wait for something you want in exchange for a possibly bigger future benefit is an important life skill. It teaches self-control, goal planning, and the importance of prioritizing necessities above transient desires. While it may seem to be a natural lesson for children reared in less fortunate circumstances, children from affluent households have a particular obstacle. Children who grow up with easy access to material items may find delayed gratification difficult to grasp. Instant satisfaction might become the norm. However, this is only sometimes the case. Wealthy parents may play an important role in instilling delayed gratification in their children. They may help their children develop a healthy connection with money and grasp the joy that comes from attaining a long-term goal by giving them chances to earn cash and establishing clear limitations for quick purchases. Number 3. Investment. Wealthy families may help share their children's financial destiny by openly discussing investments. Parents may normalize the notion of investing by exposing their children to ideas such as stocks, bonds, and real estate from a young age, empowering them to make educated financial choices throughout their lives. This open communication may build the seeds of financial literacy, teaching youngsters the value of saving and preparing for long-term objectives. Furthermore, by addressing investment techniques and the power of compound interest, parents may provide their children with the information and skills they need to begin investing early on and perhaps attain financial independence sooner. Finally, creating a culture of open communication about money inside the family may help the next generation become responsible and successful investors. Number 4. Entrepreneurial thinking. Entrepreneurial thinking may be instilled in young brains by encouraging autonomous and business-minded approaches to problem resolution. Caregivers with higher financial means may be able to offer more opportunities and assistance for their children to start and run small enterprises, such as lemonade stands. These hands-on experiences may help students develop important skills, including the desire to take measured risks, the capacity to recognize and solve challenges creatively, and money management via sensible financial judgments. While financial resources may help, it's vital to remember that cultivating an entrepreneurial spirit doesn't cost a lot of money. Caregivers with greater financial resources may have more flexibility than families with less financial resources to withstand possible losses or contribute seed funds to get things started. Even without a major financial commitment, parents and caregivers may instill entrepreneurial values in their children by encouraging them to discover possibilities, think creatively, and take ownership of their initiatives. Number 5. Multiple income streams. Wealthy parents often highlight the necessity of providing financial stability beyond a typical wage. They could discuss developing numerous revenue sources, which is similar to adding lanes to a financial freeway. These lanes might be used to make investments in stocks, bonds, or real estate that increase over time. They may propose beginning a side hustle, which is a modest business endeavor that you can conduct in addition to your regular employment, such as freelancing or selling crafts online. Another source of income is rental properties, which allow you to own and rent out a place while earning a consistent income. Wealthy parents want to teach you the value of diversity and resilience by allowing these other streams to flow. It's similar to having a safety net. If one of your income sources fails, the others may assist in keeping you financially secure. Number 6. Charity and philanthropy. Charity and philanthropy may be an effective approach for wealthy families to impart good values to their children. By immersing their children in philanthropic activities, families may teach them the value of giving back to their communities and utilizing their resources to assist others in need. This may be an excellent learning opportunity for youngsters, allowing them to develop empathy, compassion, and a feeling of civic duty. Volunteering as a family at a local soup kitchen, homeless shelter, or animal rescue is an excellent way to engage youngsters in hands-on charity. In addition to volunteering, parents might urge their children to contribute their allowances or gently used goods to charity organizations. These encounters may teach youngsters the value of charity while also positively impacting the world around them. Number 7. Negotiation skills. Wealthy families often equip their children with a valuable tool, negotiation skills. This goes beyond simply getting a better deal. By learning to advocate for themselves, these children can secure better salaries, lower prices, and even more favorable loan terms. This skill translates to significant savings throughout their lives. While negotiation is beneficial for everyone, wealthier families might have more frequent opportunities to practice. Negotiating the purchase of a house or car becomes commonplace, honing these skills early on. This advantage should be considered as it empowers them to navigate financial situations with greater confidence and potentially saving a significant amount of money over time. Number 8. Financial plan. Wealthier families often engage in financial planning, which includes estate planning as well as conversations about future financial aspirations. By having these talks, wealthy families provide their children with the information and skills they need to handle inheritances or future riches efficiently. This preemptive strategy may assist in guaranteeing a smooth asset transfer and reducing their dispute. Open communication about money develops a feeling of responsibility and enables future generations to make educated choices about their financial well-being. Number 9. Professional financial advice. One of the primary benefits that rich families have is access to competent financial counselors. These experts provide much more in-depth financial advice than the average public has access to. Unlike someone who relies primarily on internet resources or a generic bank counselor, a financial advisor may personalize investment ideas to a family's circumstances. This involves taking into account their income, risk tolerance, and long-term objectives, such as supporting their children's education or saving for a comfortable retirement. Wealthy families that get individualized guidance and continuing management are more likely to increase and preserve their money, which may give considerable financial stability and opportunity for future generations. This advantage may widen the gap between rich and less fortunate families, since those who cannot afford a financial counselor may need help managing the complexity of financial planning and investment. Number 10. The value of education. Wealthy families usually prioritize their children's higher education. This concentration derives from a clear understanding of the possible advantages of obtaining a college degree or other higher certification. Higher education may provide graduates with specific knowledge and abilities that are highly valued in the labor market. This may lead to increased earning potential throughout their careers, providing access to a broader variety of options and a more financially secure future. The significance of education extends beyond financial gain, but rich families recognize that a solid educational foundation may serve as a springboard to professional success and a meaningful life. That concludes today's look at money lessons that the affluent teach their children, but people with low incomes do not. Remember that financial knowledge is essential for developing a secure future, regardless of your background. If you found these insights useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more personal financial advice and techniques. Remember to leave a comment below and share what money lessons you were taught or wish you had been taught as a youngster. Thank you for watching.